Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad and keyboard languages. First, make sure your iPad OS supports Scribble and you have an Apple Pencil attached. Next, open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, and add New Keyboard. Choose the language you want Scribble to recognize. Once added, go back to Settings, tap Apple Pencil and turn Scribble on. If you do not see Scribble, restart the iPad and reconnect the pencil. This forces the system to load the new handwriting language data. Now practice with the new language. Open Notes or any text field and tap the globe or long press the keyboard icon to select the keyboard language you added. Use the Apple Pencil to write directly into the field. Scribble converts handwriting to typed text using the active keyboard language. Once done, make sure to write clearly and use standard letter shapes. Scribble relies on the keyboard language model. If conversion seems inaccurate, toggle Scribble off and on in Settings, then switch the keyboard. Finish by validating Scribble across apps. Try Notes, Mail, and Messages to confirm consistent recognition. If results are poor, update your iPad OS first. Updates include language model fixes, then reset the keyboard dictionary in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad Reset. If problems persist, unpair and repair the Apple Pencil or toggle Bluetooth off and on. One key troubleshooting tip: switch the on-screen keyboard to the target language each time. Scribble follows the active keyboard language, so wrong keyboard equals wrong recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.